Good morning. We are currently climbing Trey Mountain. This morning, or last night, we stayed at the cheese factory site, which is the old site for a 19th century dairy factory. Great spot, honestly. There was a lot of wind coverage, so we weren't getting hit by the wind. It rained a little bit last night. Ooh, the sun's peeking through. Was a pretty good quiet spot. Just four of us there. Me, Cheyenne, Steven, and John. So pretty quiet night. Slept pretty well. Watched like half a movie. I watched half of Bullet Train last night. Honestly, hard to follow that movie, but I'm gonna try to finish the rest of it maybe tonight, and I'll let you guys know my final thoughts. But anywho, we're gonna keep climbing up Trey Mountain, and I'll update you guys along the way. Oh, it's day 9 if I didn't say that. Well, I think this is meant to be a view, but we are, what do they say? Socked in? Yeah. Woo! Trey Gap! Whoop, whoop. I see the sun. It's peeking through. Hippity dippity. Trey, we kicked your butt. Woo! Well, we've just been listening to Lord of the Rings soundtrack coming up and over Trey Mountain.
I couldn't deal with a snail in my water bottle anymore.
Oh yeah, she had a snail in her water bottle. I don't know if I said that earlier. So she's getting some water from this little rock situation. Swiggity swag. I think honestly hiking through all these twisty trees has been my favorite part so far. It has been a pretty long morning after Trey. We have had a lot of steep ups, steep downs. How we feeling?
Good. Thirsty.
Tired. I'm very tired. We just stopped at John Spring to get water. It was a pretty steep down and steep up, but kind of the best option. It was only 0.1 off trail. And we just went up the last little ascent before Kelly Knob. And I found some glasses. So I'm gonna hopefully return them to their owner. We'll see. Ooh, looks like a fresh new sign. Addis Gap. We were thinking about staying here tonight, but we are gonna push on and make our day into town tomorrow a Nero. Kelly Knob sucks. It's very steep and very long. But I will say the one benefit of doing this at the time we're doing it is the leaves aren't in, so you can kind of see in the background. You can see mountains through the trees, but pretty much the only benefit of doing it right now because Kelly Knob's a little rough. She's a little rough. Oof, got flies all around me. It has been quite warm the last few days. Quite warm, which is fine for me because I'm from Florida, so I'm used to hiking in it, but the bugs, no thank you. Kelly Knob, you suck. Thank you for the semi view, Kelly Knob. Thank you. I have resorted to being full hiker trash. I'm just laying on the top of Kelly Knob. My feet hurt so bad. And I know it's not the, oh, my water bottle just fell. I know it's not the shoes because my feet feel like this after I do like half marathons and stuff in other shoes. I think it's just the mileage and the weight on my back. So